Hi, Zen adventurers! Today we're going on a special journey to discover the hidden sounds all around us. These sounds are like little treasures, and we just need to use our super listening powers to find them. Let's begin. First, get nice and comfy. Sit or lie down, and if you'd like, gently close your eyes or look down at the floor to help your ears focus. Now take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly out through your mouth. Let's do one more. Deep breath in and out. Feel your body relax like a balloon letting out air. Now imagine your ears growing big and wide like superheroes. They're ready to catch every tiny sound. Let's turn on our super listening powers. First, let's listen for the sounds closest to us. Stay very still and quiet. What do you hear? Maybe it's the sound of your own breathing, soft and steady. Maybe you hear your clothes rustling when you move, or even the sound of your heartbeat if you listen closely. Take your time. Let these sounds come to you one by one. There's no need to name them or think about them too much. Just notice them, like little gifts arriving at your ears. Now let your ears stretch farther out as if you're reaching for sounds in the distance. What do you hear? Maybe there's a clock ticking somewhere in the room, or a faint hum from the lights or heater. Can you hear sounds even farther away? Maybe a bird chirping outside, a car driving by, or the wind blowing gently. Keep listening. Imagine your ears traveling like explorers, finding new sounds in places you hadn't noticed before. If your mind wanders or you feel distracted, that's okay. Just take a deep breath and bring your focus back to the sounds. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Just enjoy the experience of discovering what's all around you. Let's listen for a while longer. See if you can find one last sound you hadn't noticed before. Maybe it's a very soft or very far away sound. Keep your ears open and curious. When you're ready, take a deep breath in and out. Wiggle your fingers and toes to wake up your body, and slowly open your eyes and look around. Think for a moment. What was the most surprising or interesting sound you noticed? Maybe it was something you'd never paid attention to before. Remember, anytime you want to find calmness or you want to feel more focused, you can turn on your super listening powers and go on another sound adventure. Great job, Zen adventurers. Thank you for listening so carefully today.